Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Star. Welcome to our newest listing at 210 West 103rd Street, apartment 4C. Here are the top 5 things we love about our new listing. Renovated kitchen. And a renovated bathroom. Plus, an oversized bedroom.
Number 4, these gorgeous Art Deco details. And number 5, fantastic co-op where Star and I have done 5 sales in the last 2 years. If you'd like to learn more, reach out to Star Densford or me, David.Rosen. We are the key.